Hey, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Tristan here, the digital storyteller, and I'm super excited to be with you once again for another episode of Cinecut, where we'll be talking about how to get sound effects onto the sound pads of the Maonocaster. Are you ready? I'm ready. Let's go. Woo! So after I created my Maonocaster review, I wanted to kind of go through some of the practical things that you could do to make this a functional podcasting device, getting them ready for, producing shows or doing interviews, or just being able to use it on a day-to-day basis to do voiceover work, or just to even do live streams. So this video is all about getting the sound effects that you have on your computer, on your iPhone, on different devices onto the Maonocaster itself and into the actual allocated sound pads that are located on the bottom right-hand corner of the device. Now, the only way that you can actually load sound effects onto these sound pads is by using Mono's companion app that they have for both PC and Macs. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to their website and download the app, and also download the manuals if you need it for the Maonocaster, because there are some quirky things about this device that you may want to read through and get some additional answers on. And just reading through the manual, although it may seem very boring, might be the best proposition for you, at least getting started. After that, what you want to do is you want to make sure that your Maonocaster is plugged in to your computer by using the included USB-C cable, or if you want to purchase, I purchased a longer one from Amazon because my computer is a little bit further away, and make sure they're plugged in and that the computer can actually see whether or not the device is plugged into it. You also want to make sure that you plug in a pair of headphones into the headphone jack, because you want to be able to make sure and confirm that the actual sound effects are there. Now, once you have everything sort of set up on the physical side of things, in terms of the Maonocaster itself, what you want to do is you want to jump to your computer. So that's what we're going to do right now, and then we'll go through the application and how to load new software or new audio clips onto the actual device. So on my Mac, I'm going to jump over to the Maonocaster application, and you can download this for free again on Mono's website. And under the Maonocaster app or companion app, you will see a few different options. Everything will be add, and these represent the different pages that you can create. For this particular case, I'm just going to stay with Tristan's show, and I'll show you here that I have all of these sound effects. I have a hooray, you can hear there, and all of these were not preloaded into my Maonocaster, but it was actually on Mono's website. So Mono actually provides you with some of these sound effects. You just download them for free, and then you can load them into the app and then load them into the device. So let's say, for instance, I want to load this gunshot into the Maonocaster. What I can do is I can right click on the sound effect. I can go to copy to pad, and I'm going to use this blue pad here, and it's gonna confirm with me the volume level. So I'm gonna give it a good volume level, then I'm gonna hit on this check mark. Once I hit the check mark, it's gonna do its thing and start transferring over the file. It has, so the way that we know that the Maonocaster has this now is because it says gunshot, then it has the color blue, which is the button that we said we wanted. But let's say, for instance, before we check the sounds out, the audio out, let's just say, for instance, we want to change applause here from this sound effect to the foghorn sound effect I have here. Okay, so I have this air horn sound effect. I want to change applause to air horn. What I can do is I can right click on the sound effect. I can go to import file, and then I'll navigate to where that file is located. I see my DJ air horn. I'm gonna double click on it, and now the DJ air horn has now been assigned to the red button. but now I have to transfer it over to the Maonocaster. So I'm going to right click on the sound effect again. I'm going to click on copy to pad. I'm going to click on the red pad. I'm going to confirm that I want it this volume by clicking on the check mark, and then I'm just going to wait for it to load up. And that's how you use the Mono Companion app to load sounds to your Maonocaster. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you like the channel and the content I'm creating, please consider subscribing. And until the next time, have a wonderful day. Peace.